Hi, Knee-High Kids. Welcome to Knee-High Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter, and today we're going to talk about shapes. First of all, before we start talking about shapes, how are you doing today? And I hope you're having a very good day. All right, let's sing a song. Shape, shape, shapes. Shapes are all around. Shape, shape, shapes. Shapes are on the ground. Shape, shape, shapes. How do you do? Shape, shape, shapes. I really like you. Okay, let's get started. Let's talk about shapes. This shape is a circle. Can you say circle? Circle. This shape is a square. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square. This is called a triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3, and a point at the top. This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides. 2 long sides. 1, 2, and 2 short sides. 3, 4. This is an oval. An oval is round, similar to the circle, but it's a little longer. It's an oval. This is called a rhombus. It's kind of shaped like another shape called the diamond. Pentagon. Let's count the sides of this pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a hexagon. Hexagon has many sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. This is called an octagon. We see this while we're riding in the car. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon. This is what we see when we go to the ocean. This is called a star. They're sometimes laying on the beach. It has many sides, many points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a heart. It's curved. Heart. And this is a crescent. It's also curved, and all the sides are curved. Did you enjoy that? You get a something sweet and yummy. You get a cupcake. I just love cupcakes, don't you? Okay, since you did so good today, I have a surprise for you. This is my friend Casey. Oops, I forgot about my students in the class, Kobe and Leo. Kobe and Leo, are you ready? They're upset because I forgot about this. Are you ready to meet Casey? This is Casey. Now, Casey is from VTech, and it's for ages 9 to 36 months. And he teaches us songs and melodies and sound and phrases. And we want to get into this toy first. Let's get into this toy. Now, where are my scissors? Right there. Right there, Mr. Cameraman. Thank you. Remember, always hold your scissors like this and always get the help of an adult. Do not open up or use your scissors without someone helping you. So we're going to take the scissors and cut the sides. Now, Casey seems like he is a lot of fun. But let's see if Miss Porter can get him out of this box. Ooh, look at him already making noise. Calm down, Casey. He just squeezed my finger too. All right. Let me see something. Okay. I had to turn Casey off for a minute so I can detach him so we can play with him together. Okay. Now, Casey comes from Walmart. Ooh, he's really attached. They're making sure that Casey doesn't go anywhere. All right, let's cut this string. Okay. Now, let's see how we're going to get out this bottom part. Oh, here we go. That wasn't so bad. It has little screws back here. Whew, finally, that was an easy one. All right, let's turn Casey on.
Let's dance.
Now he likes to dance.
Look at me.
Look at him.
E-F-G H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z.
All right, let's push his buttons. You know how you go in the store and mommy and daddy say, do not push the buttons? These buttons we can push. So let's push this one. This one's 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Showtime.
All right.
Ready to groove. 1, 2, 3. Can you catch me? Do that, do that.
Oh, I like that one.
Here I go. Oh, to do that day.
Okay. This is a banana. Let's push this one.
Bananas give me energy.
Okay.
I'm full of energy. The wheels on my skate spin round and round all day long.
Okay. And this is ABC.
Let's dance.
All right, y'all ready to
Look
dance?
at me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay. Did we push this one? I don't know if we pushed this one. Let's push this one.
Follow me. My arms wobble up and down.
Okay. Well, I guess that's all his arms do. And then he has roller skates. Now he has 2 different switches. Oh, he can roll, you all. Let me put my table over here. Let me get help from the cameraman. See if we can. Oh. Okay. I think he can roll.
I'm ready to
All right, look at him.
1, 2, 3. Can you catch me? Do that, do that. I like to skate. Here I go. Oh, to do that thing. Catch me.
I guess he doesn't go by himself. Let's see. Let me try it again.
Let's dance. Look at me. E-F-G H-I-J-K-L.
I don't think he moves.
Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z.
Okay, so he does have on skates, so I guess you can roll him. I thought he rolled by himself, but anyway, it's still a cool toy. We need to do it again. All right, here's Casey's movie. All right.
Excuse me.
Casey all over the place, y'all. Look, oh, Oh, stand on the table, Casey.
Excuse me.
All right, so you see how Casey Casey moves a lot. We're gonna hold Casey. Calm down, Mr. Casey. Casey has an off switch too. But you had a lot of fun chasing him, didn't you? I did. So he rolls. He does roll by himself, as you can see. So he's a whole lot of fun. And he's good to play on the inside of parents, grandparents, auntie, uncles, cousins, whoever wants to get this for a little one, because they have to chase after him. But you also need like a hard floor for him to roll on. But he's a whole lot of fun. I think I could chase him myself and get out of breath. Now this toy, let me read to mommy and daddy what he teaches you. Letters, body parts, numbers, and gross motor skills. It has built-in sensors, allowed to, oh, he does move. Maybe because my table has this material on it. But he does move around, and he likes to dance. And you can chase him, so he does move. So he teaches for our parents or grandparents. He teaches language development, cause and effect. He triggers playful responses and censors them. And he skates away to develop the relationship of cause and effect. Now, we also, hold on a second. Let me tell you how much Casey retails for. $20. Oh, my cameraman said 20. Yeah, because I didn't see him on this receipt right here. But you can get him at Walmart, okay? But yeah, he's a fun little toy. Thank you, Mr. Casey. So did you enjoy our class today of shapes? Did you all have fun, Kobe and Leo? I hope you all had fun. And I'm sending you virtual hugs. Woo! And kisses. And I want you to study, 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 and come back and play along with us at Knee High Kids Club. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now. Say bye, Casey. Kobe and Leo, say bye.